Hello students, I am going to continue the same topic, that is integration. Today we discuss about the exercise 7.3. In 7.3 we use some formulae. Firstly we discuss formulae, then we start the exercise. Correct? In this exercise we use the formulae to cos x cos y, to sin x sin y, to sin x cos y, and to cos x sin y. We use this formula. Cos x plus cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Formula to cos x cos y. Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Correct? And here formula, that is cos x minus y minus cos x plus y, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, and here sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. We use this for formula, right? And the second, 1 plus cos x, you know that 2 cos square x by 2, 1 minus cos x, that is 2 sin square x by 2. Okay. We use this formula in this exercise. Okay. And two more formula, that is sin square x 1 minus cos 2x by 2, cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Right? Question number 4. First, sin square 2x plus 5. Sin square 2x plus 5. Correct? Sin square 2x plus 5. Use this formula here. Sin square x. You know that 1 minus cos 2x, multiply it by 2. That is 4x plus 10 divided by 2 dx. Now 1 by 2 outside. Now can you tell me the integration of 1x? Integration of cos, you know very well, sin 4x plus 10, and the derivative of 4x, that is 4 plus c. Second question, integration cos 4x sin 3x. In this you can apply this formula, cos x sin y, cos x sin y. For this formula you have to multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. 2 cos 4x sin 3x dx. Cos x, apply this formula, sin x plus y, which means 4x plus 3x, 7x minus sin, that is x. Check. Apply this formula here. 2 cos x sin y, sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Apply this formula. Now can you tell me the integration of sin 7x? That is minus cos 7x upon 7 minus cos x plus c. This is the solution of question number 2. Clear? Question number 3. Integration cos 6x cos 4x cos 2x dx. Correct. Now multiply and divide by 2. 1 by 2, 2 cos 6x cos 4x and cos 2x as it is. Multiply and divide by 2. 2 cos x cos y, you can apply this formula here. 2 cos x cos y, that is we can say cos x plus y, 6x plus 4x, 10x, 6x minus 4x, 2x, that is cos 2x as it is. Now multiply it by cos 2x, cos 10x cos 2x plus cos square 2x dx. Correct. Now again multiply and divide by 2. Again multiply and divide by 2. That is 1 by 4. 2 cos 10x cos 2x plus 2 cos square 2x dx. Clear? Now again apply this formula to cos x cos y. 2 cos x cos y. That is cos x plus y is 12x plus cos 8x, and the formula for this 2 cos square 2x formula according to this, that is 1 plus cos 4x dx, and the integration of cos, that is sin 12x, and the derivative of 12x, that is 12, and this is sin 8x, and the derivative of 8x 8 plus x plus sin 4x by 4. This is the answer. This is the solution of question number 3. Clear? First you will learn this formula, then you can solve these questions easily. Clear? Next, question number 5. Integration sin cube x cos cube x dx. You know that sin cube x you can break cos square x, and cos square x you can write 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx. Right? Let sin x is equal to t, and the derivative of sin x cos x dx is equal to dt. Therefore a cube 1 minus t square dt. T cube into this, t cube minus t to the power 5 dt. Further you can solve. Correct? Further, integration of t cube you know very well, t 4 by 4, and the integration of t 5 you know very well, t 6 to the divided by 6. After doing the integration, further you can solve for, just put the value of t. Question number that is 8. Integration 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. This is direct formula, you know. Direct formula. That is 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x. Direct formula. That is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. And you know that sin by cos you know very well, that is tan square x by 2. And in tan square x by 2 you can write sec square x by 2 minus 1. And the integration of sec square x by 2, that is tan x by 2 upon the derivative of x by 2, that is 1 by 2 minus x plus c. This is the solution of question number 8. Clear? Where is the question? Question number 10. Sin to the power 4x dx. You can write sin square x dx all square. Sin to the power 4x. Sin to the power 4x, you can write sin square x whole square. And the formula for sin square x, that is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. And 1 by 4 outside, a minus b whole square. 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x dx. 1 by 4 outside. And the integration of 1 you can solve, but integration of cos square x, put the formula 1 plus cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x as it is. Here. Now you can write separate. So the 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. And cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. Clear? Further you can solve. Integration of 3 by 2. 3 by 2x. Integration of cos x, that is sin 4x by 4 minus sin 2x by 2. This is the answer of this question. Very important question. Same procedure for class for the question 11. For 11, same procedure. Question number 12. Integration sin square x upon 1 plus cos x. Formula, you know? Sin square x formula, because you know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Therefore you can write here 1 minus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x. 1 plus, you can apply formula 1 plus cos x and 1 minus cos x. Here 1 plus cos x dx, this will cancel. And integration of 1, you know, 1 minus cos x integration. Integration of 1 you know x, and this is minus sin x plus c. This is the solution of question number 12. Question number 13. Integration cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. And the formula for cos 2x you know very well. There are 4 formulas. Cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, and 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now we apply the formula of cos 2x in the form of cos, that is you know very well, that is 2 cos square x minus 1, and here also formula, that is 2 cos square alpha minus 1 upon you know very well, that is cos x minus cos alpha. Now you open the bracket. You know very well minus 1 and this plus 1 that cancel when you open the bracket. You can take 2 common. Cos square x minus cos square alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha, that is dx, and 2 outside. You know very well a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. When you write here, the one term will be cancelled. The remaining term, that is cos x plus cos alpha dx, and now can you tell me the integration of cos x? Integration of cos x in well, for example, sin x plus, this is constant term, therefore the integration of this x cos alpha plus c. This is the answer. Question number 13, and you know very well the question number 14. 14 is also very easy question. Integration of cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x. You know very well formula about 1 plus sin 2x, that is sin x plus cos x whole square. This is the formula. Here you can write cos x minus sin x upon, this is the formula, 1 plus sin 2x, cos x plus sin x whole square. Now let cos x plus sin x is equal to t, and the derivative of this, that is cos x minus sin x. Derivative of sin cos and the derivative of cos minus sin, so that is integration 1 upon t square, and integration of 1 upon t square in very well 1 upon t dt plus c. Put the value of t, that is the answer. Question number 16, t to the 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4 x dx, 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 you can write 10 square x whole square dx. 10 square x you can write 2 times, and 1 times you can write formula 10 square x, that is sec square x minus 1. Clear? Now multiply this with this, that is 10 square x sec square x minus 10 square x dx. First part you can solve by letting method, like you can let 10x is equal to 3, and the second part you can put the formula integration 10 square x sec square x dx minus integration sec 10 square x formula sec square x minus 1. Here you can let 10x is equal to t, and the derivative of 10x you know very well, that is sec square x dx is equal to dt. Sec square x dx convert into dt, here t square dt minus integration of sec square x, that is 10x minus x, 10x minus x integration 10x minus x plus c, and the integration of t square, that is t cube by 3 plus minus 10x plus x plus c. This is the answer of this question. Clear? Your homework you can solve exercise 7.3 question number 1 to up to 16 or 20, or further question you can try. Okay, thank you.